Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be checking out the 4 terabyte Seagate expansion hard drive. Now this is a portable drive. It uses USB power to power the drive, and we're going to be checking out the performance of this as well, and let's do a quick unboxing of it. This is the drive itself. It's a 4 terabyte hard drive. It is actually much thicker than the 1 terabyte drive that I originally did a review on, and it also comes with the USB 3.0 cable as well. Now, believe it or not, I did a preliminary test on this, and it's actually much faster than the 1 terabyte drive. Not for smaller files, but for larger files. Now, I'm actually quite impressed with this drive. This definitely gets the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating as well. Anyway, guys, I really like this product. I really do. Either the 1 terabyte or the 4 terabyte, they're very comparable in price. The 1 terabyte is $50 or under $50. The 4 terabyte is under 100. It's under 90 actually. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.